We had around 7-8 look tests that we did over the period of time before we started shooting last year. Co-director of the series, Jay Mehta, he made me listen to this once. कि यार ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं. And imagine Nachint has made this music on his own without anybody. अपने studio में बैठ के he just did this. And we were all kicked about it the moment we heard it for the first time. I said, this is it and this is the feel. But I never knew how to, get into this films and all those things because ऐसा था कि कहीं से पता चला या कहीं पर audition चल रहा है, so we would go and approach like a lot of actors do. Theatre is one thing which I feel actor should consistently and continuously do, explore, because that's where you go and practice your craft. Theatre is the only place that can teach you.
अभी अपने पास खर्च करने को सिर्फ टाइम ही तो है, नहीं तो सही टाइम का वेट करने में ना खुद खर्च हो जाए. रिस्क है तो रिस्क है.
शेयर मार्केट इतना गहरा कुआं है जो पूरे देश की पैसे की प्यास बुझा सकता है, और मैं इस कुएं में डुबकी लगाना चाहता हूं.
All the praises and all the love that I'm getting from people is concerned. So as an actor, I really understand this, that when you create a character that can touch people's heart, people react this way. So understand all this with a pinch of salt, with a lot of gratitude that I accept it and I keep it there itself so that I can move light on my feet. So one film which I had done before Scam is ready to release.
Hi guys, this is Kajal Gupta and welcome to India Forums. Today I have with me someone who is quite the man of the moment, Prateek Gandhi, who is basking in the success of Scam 1992. Hi Prateek, thank you for doing this with us.
Hello, hi, thank you very much for having me.
Firstly, congratulations on the big success. I mean, the show is one of the biggest hits of this year. So congratulations on that.
Thank you very much for all the love and appreciation. Thank you.
Yeah. सबसे पहले, before we begin, tell me Prateek, has life changed after Scam 1992?
Oh yes, life has changed a lot after Scam 1992 in the sense that there are a lot of people who are trying to know a lot of things about me, my past life and whatever that I had done all these years. So that is one thing. I'm also getting a lot of interesting offers from mainstream films and web series both, which I had been waiting since a long time. So that change is a very interesting change that has happened.
Yeah. But, Prateek, tell me, you're playing Harshad Mehta in the series. So personally, were you ever interested in stock market?
Not really. I never ever thought about share market that way. But yeah, after doing this series, after reading and learning about the stock market, I am quite interested to know more about it.
Yeah. But during the course of the series, काफी research तो करना पड़ा होगा कि how does everything work और कैसे होते हैं numbers?
Yes. A lot of research. I met a lot of people to know that how these transactions happen now and back then without computer also. How the money market, work, the banks, the involvement of the banks and the transaction between two banks about the securities. That is an integral part of the series also. As far as the stock market is concerned, so how do you understand those graphs, charts? How do you follow the script? How do you understand this, the movement of the shares? And those things were very interesting to know.
Yeah. But Prateek, tell me something. So, आपकी journey from engineering to Gujarati film industry to now giving Scam, which is one of the biggest hits, like I said. So, it's been very exciting. So, tell me something, how did Scam happen to you? When did you meet Hansal Mehta?
So, I met Hansal Mehta in 2018 sometime. I guess around May, June 2018, where we first spoke about it, and then I met him personally. Since then, we are on this project. We are discussing. We were working around the scripts and all. So they have spent a lot of time, developing the script. So when I was approached and I was asked to do Harshad Mehta's character, then I started my own research, my own understanding of the character, the body transformation, gaining a lot of weight. Then we had multiple look tests. We had around 7-8 look tests that we did over the period of time before we started shooting last year. So yeah, a lot of things.
Yeah. But Prateek, like I was just coming to this point कि आपका जो look है, was just uncanny. The resemblance was uncanny. I mean, I know you might have got this a lot. कि बचपन से लेके till the age time, the transformation was amazing. So, or when you're doing a biopic, there is a very fine line between picking up the nuances, जो original character है, and not making it like a caricature. So, how
Right.
did you maintain that balance?
So I guess that where my theater experience also helped me a bit. And director like Hansal Mehta, he gives you a lot of freedom. He puts a lot of faith on you. So that also, as an actor, you are more conscious about it. That how do you want to do it? And we had a detailed discussion about this. That we don't want to make it caricaturish. We don't want to mimic Harshad Mehta per se. But we just want to imbibe those essence of the characteristics and create the character come alive in front of the audience. And that's how it is. So even Hansal told me that whatever you do, make it a part of your personality, make it a part of your body. So nothing should look forced, be it that single-sided smirk or the constant movement in the body or anything, the walk.
Yeah, especially the walk. I mean, that is just yeah. But Prateek, tell me, the theme song is an internet sensation. मतलब हर जगह, हर वीडियो में लोग उस सॉन्ग, उस म्यूजिक को यूज कर रहे हैं. So, जब आपने सुना था ये पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन के पहले आपने ये सॉन्ग सुना था?
So एक बार Jay, the guy who's the associate director, who's the co-director of the series, Jay Mehta, he made me listen to this once. कि यार ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं. And then I asked him, कौन है यार ये? Achint Thakkar is the guy, and he's created this music. And imagine Achint has made this music on his own without anybody. अपने स्टूडियो में बैठ के he just did this, and we were all kicked about it the moment we heard it for the first time. I said, this is it, and this is the feel. फिर तो after, I guess, when during this lockdown, entire post production has happened. And then during the post production, I kept talking to them, how are things shaping up and all of it, Then I had forgotten about it because I heard it during the shoot time. And then suddenly Jay showed me again when I went for my dubbing. And this is crazy. So Achint has created the magic.
Yeah, but काफी मतलब internet sensation है ये song because everywhere you go you can just hear about it.
Oh yes, now people have started having move challenge. So dance challenge is happening on this piece. I also have to learn something.
Did you learn something अभी तक?
No, I will learn. I will do something soon. Yeah.
Okay. So Prateek, speaking on those lines, with this show, the popularity has grown tenfold, Now, like you said, everybody wants to talk about you and your past work, or it's a breakthrough for you. So, आपके लिए कितना easy या difficult है ये gauge करना, ये popularity और ये social media presence? Are you quite active on social media?
I would admit one thing, that I was never that active on social media. Because I generally consider social media as one of the tools that can help me connect with the audience. So whenever anything is getting released, whenever anything that I want to announce or I want to communicate to people, I used to use social media, and I still do it this way. So whatever has happened in my social media is all organic. Beyond a point, I don't even know what's happening there. But yeah, so it is very overwhelming in current scenario when, through social media is the only platform which can connect me to the audience and where I can understand what people feel about it, what people think about it. So that is a good part, that lockdown and all these current scenario in the world has taught us be digital all the time. And that's how we are also connected right now.
Yeah.
And as
it's
far
a
as
new normal.
Yeah, it's a new normal, right? And as far as all the praises and all the love that I'm getting from people is concerned, so as an actor, I really understand this, that when you create a character that can touch people's heart, people react this way. So understand all this with a pinch of salt, with a lot of gratitude that I accept it and I keep it there itself so that I can move light on my feet.
Yeah, I think that's wonderful. But so Prateek, as we speak further, tell me something. So if I'm not wrong, your parents are teachers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So your parents are teachers with no connection to the acting business, the movie industry. And you have done some prominent work in the Gujarati film industry before rising to fame with Scam. So not coming from a filmy industry या filmy background कितना easy या difficult हो जाता है?
I think it is very important. In fact, it's a blessing. If you are not connected to some industry and you're still trying to make your part or your place in that industry, then you, I guess, prepare yourself more than anyone else who would have any connection or who would have an easy access for that matter. So I guess that worked for me. That nobody from my family was ever into this industry. In fact, that worked for me because that pushed me more than anybody else, you know, to learn, to explore, to experiment, to create your space, be positive, constantly keep working, explore all the different formats, be it radio natak or actual nukkad natak or theater or everything, so that I could explore everything. And I was prepared for anything that come my way.
Yeah. Well said. So Prateek, tell me something कि during your initial days of theatre or jab, I'm sure you might have auditioned for projects in the Hindi industry as well. So वो experience कैसा था? Have you auditioned for projects?
Oh, I had auditioned for a lot of projects, but I never knew how to, you know, get into this films and all those things because ऐसा था कि कहीं से पता चला है कहीं पर ऑडिशन चल रहा है, so we would go and approach like a lot of actors do. And that's the only way that I knew. There is no other way that I could, you know, reach out to somewhere where the project is being mounted. I go there, I introduce myself and get to an audition. But so standard audition procedure that anybody does, I also used to do it.
But now to matlab ek new wave, new chapter in your life has just begun. So, but do you think you will still continue doing theater and like your Gujarati industry work? Will that still be?
Why not? Yeah, that's where I come from. That's where my roots are. In fact, theater is one thing which I feel actor should consistently and continuously do, explore, because that's where you go and practice your craft. Theater is the only place that can teach you. And as far as Gujarati films are concerned, so yes, that's an upcoming regional industry of India. And I have had good work profile that, you know, that I can be proud about in Gujarati films. So I would definitely continue that. Maybe the numbers may be here and there because अभी थोड़ा time यहाँ भी देना है, थोड़ा वहाँ भी देना है. तो शायद पहले साल की 2-3 फिल्में करते थे, अब शायद एक ही कर पाएंगे. But yeah, I'll definitely continue doing that.
Yeah. Okay. So just last question, Prateek. Tell us something because now your fan following has increased and everybody wants to know where are we seeing you next. So tell us something. ये next projects कब आ रहे हैं? क्या है? आपने कुछ sign किया है?
So one film which I had done before Scam is ready to release. जैसे ही ये theater वेटर सब थोड़ा ठीक ठाक हो जाए, खुल जाए, it will get released first. It's called भवाई. वो मेरी पहली हिंदी फिल्म है जिसमें मैंने lead protagonist का काम किया है. So I'm excited for that. बाकी तो कुछ बड़े-बड़े अच्छे projects के बारे में discussions चल रहा है. जैसे ही कुछ finalize होता है, I am excited to share with you.
Yes, and we just look forward to seeing you again on screen. And congratulations and thank you for joining us, Prateek.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.